listings today. Even last week we had a day we had 4 listings. Today we had 3 listings. So Senores Pharma, Ventive, Hospitality, those are the ones that are actually doing quite well with strong listing gains. But on the other hand, Carraro, the management, we just had them on the previous show. That's been a muted listing, down almost 7.5%. And from the broad end of the markets in the pharma pack, Biocon is one stock that's doing quite well. The company sales milestones as far as the Viatris acquisition has been fulfilled, and the street likes that particular development.
All right, let's get to the IPO action, which remains hot even towards the year end. We've had 3 listings today. Senores Pharma, which has been the blockbuster one, Carraro India, Ventive Hospitality. So just to give us a preview of what these companies do, we've got with us Vamakshi with the details. Vamakshi.
Well, good morning, Reema. Senores Pharma is the first one that I'll be talking about. They had a stellar listing because they listed at 600 rupees per share, which is coming in at a 53% premium to their issue price. The company is a global research-driven pharma company. They focus on cardiovascular, diabetes, gastroenterology, and critical care injectables. The company manufactures products at its FDA-approved facilities, and they have a very significant presence in the markets like US, UK, as well as Canada. In addition to that, they also offer contract manufacturing services and is also vertically integrated by producing its own API. In addition to that, they're also expanding their presence in emerging markets. They're increasing their R&D capabilities, and they plan to drive growth ahead through acquisition and expansion of their manufacturing facilities. But when you look at the company's valuations, it seems like it is trading at a premium to peers like Ajanta Pharma, Gland Pharma at the issue price of 600 rupees per share. The price to earnings ratio stood at 58 times, which is much higher as compared to some of its peers. Ventive Hospitality is the other stock that listed today. The company listed at 716 rupees per share, which is coming in at an 11% premium. Keep in mind that this is the company is a hospitality asset owner with Marriott, Hilton, Minor and Atmosphere hotel brands. They have a portfolio which comprises of 11 operational hospitality assets, both in India and Maldives. They have total keys of somewhere around 2036 across luxury, upscale and upscale segments, and the plan is to increase it to 2,403 by FY28. In addition to that, they also have 3.4 MSF of commercial space that yields rent with 95.55% occupancy. Lastly, let's also focus in on Carraro India. They listed at 651 rupees per share, which is coming in at a discount to its issue of nearly 8% to its issue price. The company specializes in manufacturing of components ranging from small gears to complete tractor assemblies. They have 2 manufacturing plants in Pune. Some of its key customers include Mahindra, Action Construction Equipment, Volvo, among several others. But a weakness that that the company has a high dependence on very few customers. For top 10 customers accounting nearly 85% of its revenue. And the company very recently joined us, just a short while ago, and they say that they saw some slowdown due to elections, but they're not anticipating a very big recovery in the second half.
Thank you so much for that, Vamakshi, giving us an overview as far as all 3 listings are concerned.